Hello my people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this vegetable sauce. I'll be using chicken breast as my meat. I'll be slicing them into smaller pieces. Please feel free to use any chicken of your own choice. I prefer to use this chicken breast to do this sauce. If today is your first time joining me, you are highly welcome. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and remember to click on the notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you'll be able to see it at first hand. Thank you. For all my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. I really appreciate always coming by, tagging along with me. It has a long way to encourage me. Thank you. Yes, I'll be adding my black pepper, and my parsley, feel free to use any spice of your choice. I'll be adding the turmeric powder, paprika powder, all these spices is only your own choice. Feel free to use any choice of your own. I'm adding the soy sauce and the salt. I'll be mixing all together to allow it to marinate for a few minutes before I start the cooking. Please remember to subscribe. Always subscribe to my channel, please, and always click on the notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you'll be able to see it. Thank you. As you can see, I'll be frying it with this little oil. First, I'll put my onions. I shared my onion because I'll be putting the rest of them when I'm adding all the ingredients. Now I'm putting my ginger and garlic. I mash them together with my food processor. And I'll be adding my chicken. Allow it to fry for a few minutes. This is just a quick sauce you can make even when you're tired. It's easy to just lay hold and then do it. As you can see, my chicken is done. Now I'll be getting ready to add the rest of the vegetable to it. Now I'm adding the rest of the onion, adding the rest of the ginger and garlic. And my carrots. Yeah, I added this carrot because sometimes carrot is so hard, so it has to cook, at least cook to tender before I add the rest of the vegetable. See, I mix my cornstarch with some soy sauce as a paste, and I'll be adding it into this sauce. adding my veggies. This is my bell pepper, the red, yellow, green pepper. And now I'll be adding my paste, the cornstarch with soy sauce base I made. So I'll be spraying them on through and I'll add it all. And then stir. I'll be adding the list of the ingredients I use on my description. Always view my description for it. Now I'm adding my coriander because I like the aroma from the coriander. I like putting it when I'm cooking anything vegetable, especially vegetable sauce. See, it's done. It's so yummy. And it looks so yummy. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye. Thank you.